Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. This is today's, my mom's here and she's screwing up my entire life right now. This is today's project. It's a cardboard box. Someone asked me if I would show them how I ship wreaths, so I have a wreath to ship. And my mom is here to help me because I started physical therapy today and, you know, I'm a spaz. So this is the wreath. It is a rose gold Christmas wreath that I made from my recycled tree from last year. Before I put it in the box, I'm gonna just, everything's on there. And I've already checked the back to make sure there's no zip ties. All my pipe cleaners are down. And it's gonna go in the box. This box is a 22 by 22 by 8. I used to ship in a 6-inch box, but as my wreaths got bigger, the boxes had to get bigger. And this one wasn't a 6-inch box, and the wreath bow was completely smashed. So before I fluff any of this out, because I'm gonna give it a final fluffing, because it's been in a too small box for a while, I am going to, I got the pipe cleaners, and I already lost my needle. Right here. Thank you, lovely assistant. This is a plastic yarn needle. This is by the what is it, like the plastic canvas stuff? It's by like the crochet hooks at my Walmart. It's just a big needle. I wish I had it in metal. I don't have it in metal. You can probably get it in metal on Amazon, but it's like $1 for a pack of 2 of them. I also have these right here, but these are only good for wreaths. They're not good for going through the cardboard because this is going to have to push through 2 layers of cardboard, and the bottom's already taped up. So I'm going to pick a location. I don't want to be by the bow. I'm going to go like over here. And I have red pipe cleaners because my customer is going to be able to see those. So I'm going to just thread it on here. You're not going to really be able to see this, but I'm going through the wreath, through some of the mesh. Right now I'm at the bottom of the box. And for some reason there's tape right underneath here. Why is that? All right, I'm going to move over here. It's bending my needle already. Alright. So I'm pulling this through. And now it's on the outside of the box. Now I'm pushing back up through the bottom of the box into the top. There it is. And I'm hoping that these are on both sides of the frame, which it feels like they are. And they're just spaced. You can. I'm going to turn it over when it's done so you can see how far apart the space they are. And then this is just going to get tightened down. And when the customer gets this, they can either cut it from the back and just take the wreath out, or undo it and take the wreath out. Before I add my second one, I'm going to add my Made For You. I know the lights are crazy now. Made For You by Adam Chenevert. It's got my Instagram and my YouTube underneath there. So you know where it came from. And you can take this off and give it to whoever asks. Like, where did that beautiful wreath come from? Right, Mel?
Right.
Is that how you do it?
That's exactly.
Do you have a stack of these that you pass out?
No. Look what I did.
Oh. Mother has prepped this one for me. Okay, so this one's over here. I'm just going to put one over here. And this box is as big as my table, so yeah, you can see the frame in here kind of. I'm going to try to go on one side of the ring and then another side of another ring. But I try not to go in the middle because there's tape. The tape is running that way, so that should be good. And I'm gonna come over like an inch. I know I probably just pulled that through the back. No, it's still there. I just need to find my needle. Okay, there it is. Whew. And I pulled it all the way out. Okay. It happens. Luckily, there's already a hole. And you can poke these holes with like an awl beforehand. I just use the needle because, you know, it makes things a little easier. Oh, my back. Okay. That is what takes me the longest part of this. And this is on, this pipe cleaner is going over, let me try to open this up. I hope my customer won't mind. See it down there? It's, here's one ring, here's the inner ring, then the pipe cleaner, the middle ring, an open spot, the other ring, and then the pipe cleaner, and then the outer ring. And this is why I don't fluff the reef before I do this. Did you take the other label? Then I have two of them.
You need two of these. Is that what you need? Oh.
And again, I'm just putting one on here
You put one on over.
in case two people want to know where it came from.
Sorry.
This is why you have to work at Walmart, because you can't work for my company yet.
Okay.
Because you would do this wrong. Okay, so these are in there. The pipe cleaners are contrasting color, but you can also see that's where my things are. So let's get to fluffing. And this is not a guaranteed way to keep this from flopping around inside of here, but we're just trying to minimize the smashage. Smashage? Is that a smashage?
Let me do this.
Okay. You call that a poof?
Yep.
You call that a puff?
It's so pretty.
If you can do this so good on a box, a wreath in a box, why does your wreath on the front door always look like somebody hit it with a claw?
Because most people hit it when they walk in the front door.
Idiots.
Because it's big.
Okay, she's gonna work on that. Got my tails. This wreath has incredibly short tails on it. I don't know why. I was probably trying to conserve ribbon. This wreath is like, when do you think I made this? Like a year ago?
Oh, I don't know if it's that long.
Why did I make it this year?
Okay, but we only in the beginning part of the year, so.
No, I mean I didn't make it in this Christmas. Like 2020 Christmas. I don't know when I made this. I'll try to link the video below if you want to watch me make this.
How's that?
This might have been a Christmas in July thing, maybe.
Okay.
That's good. You know, you always expect the customer is going to have to do a little bit of something, just because even if they take it out of the box and it's perfect, it's probably not going to make it to the front door perfect. Especially this one that is, I'm assuming, not going to be put up until Christmas time.
Well, she's probably going to keep it in the box
Yeah.
until she's ready to go, so.
And I mean, she can undo the pipe cleaners and take it out the box. I mean, leave it in the box take it out, look at it, and just put it right back in the box because it should.
It's good storage.
I mean, it's a strong box. These boxes, did I say I got them from Amazon? I get them from Amazon. They're like $3.50 a piece, but they're heavy duty, which I don't mind paying a little extra for a nice heavy box because you can store it in there. Okay, so I usually don't have to do that much fluffing on them, but this one was in a box that was too small. So that looks good to me, Mother.
Yep. Perfect.
Oh, we got these at Hobby Lobby.
Mm-hmm.
And you said how ugly they were?
Yep.
And you still think they're ugly?
I'm not a big fan of this, but I don't like glitter. So.
Okay. So, next is... Oh, why don't you be a sweet lamb and cut out the label? Now with my good scissors. Use my crappy scissors. They're like sun bleached. I don't know how they got like that. Okay, let me cover up any information that you guys don't need to see. This is one of them's an invoice for the customer, one of them's an invoice for me. I don't keep invoices. I have that on my phone. I have it on the computer. So this is an Etsy invoice. And she says Christian Underhill is the person she comments on, but it says her name is Karen. Christian's her grandson, and he set up the YouTube for her, so that's nice. I don't know if she ordered the wreath or not, but
She's the one getting it.
she's the one getting it. She paid for it. So this wreath is for Karen in Indiana, and I am just going to put both of these in here. One is a receipt, one's an invoice, one's a receipt. The receipt's, I think the receipt's supposed to be for me, but again, it's documented on there. So I'm just going to tuck this in the side. And then we do a final check. I want to see, it's wiggling a little bit, but it's not going to, like, if they turn it over, it's not going to get smashed. Okay, so we fold these down, and then I find a marker. One thing I did not account for. She's gonna bring me a dry erase marker. She's gonna bring me a fine line Sharpie.
It's a marker.
You're right, Mother, it is. So, when she opens this wreath, I want her to see that I have taken the time to scribble my chicken scratch on here. Thank you for, this is terrible. Order and, what is that?
Thank you for your order and all your sweet comments on YouTube. Is that what you said? Adam and his mom. Oh, cute. And
business.
in business. Okay.
So, because I'm sure nobody can read that. Karen, thank you for your order and all your sweet comments on YouTube, because she does comment consistently, which we like. We like engagement. All right, so this goes down. This goes down. Get everything nice and squared up. I'm using I have two tape guns. Well, this is not a tape gun. I have this, which I prefer, and I have a $10 one that I got that I hate. I can't figure out how to use it. I can't figure out where the tape's supposed to go, so...
You want to put that brown one down?
Yeah, I'm going to use clip with the label. This is just, I would rather buy one of these and then buy the replacement, because this I can handle. The other one is just, it's a hassle. Like a super hassle. I do one on one side, one on the other. It does stink. I don't know why this tape stinks so much more than the other one.
Vinegar.
And then I usually do alternate and do lots of stuff falling behind the table today. Oh no. Really? I'm gonna do one just along here. Probably unnecessary, but turn it on me, Mama.
Yep.
I'm enfeebled.
Yeah.
Are you gonna need a paid company lunch after this?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so I am not gonna show y'all putting on the label. It goes right here because it's got her dress on and everything. I just go over it with clear tape. I'm looking for some little pouches that self-adhesive, self-adhesive, but I'm gonna do that afterwards. You know how to put a label on. Last thing we do, take this over and see what kind of mess we've made on the back. Which, that's, our first tool. And all I'm gonna do is put a piece of tape covering that up. And all this is doing, when these go through the machine and everything, I don't want this to snag. Because I don't know what kind of machines to use it. And it's in there. Feels pretty good. To do the postage on here, I know my boxes weigh about a pound, and I just weigh the wreath, and then I put them together to get the postage through Etsy. They give me the shipping label, and for some reason this one is going to Indiana, and it was like $10 less than it usually is. So yeah. So that's gonna go taped on there. My mom is gonna drop this off when she heads home, or we're gonna drop it off when we go to lunch. I don't know if I can talk her into dropping it off on our way home, but yeah, that's where the label goes. Clear tape, and yeah, mine go to Walgreens because that's my FedEx drop-off point. You can have it pick them up. You can have them pick it up from your house. I don't have enough packages for me to warrant that, and also I don't want to be waiting around for somebody to come pick up a package. I'd rather go drop it off, and then let me see that, Mom. I want to go drop it off and not have to deal with it.
It's got something stuck
Yeah,
on it.
this is, I don't know what happened to it. This is the gun that I got from Walmart. It has a little metal thing here that just popped out. I can't get it back in, and I don't know what I'm doing wrong with this. It's a pain. So we only really use that for the label. So thanks for watching. I know this is a little quick video, and yeah, that's how I ship a wreath. Is there anything else?
Nope. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. My link to my Etsy is down below. Link to Instagram. Patreon. He does that every time. I say that in every video. As soon as I start saying goodbye, he's like, oh my God, it's time for you to pay attention to me again.
It's good, huh? We're done.
Link to Patreon. And if you want to tip me on Venmo and buy me and my mom a, what can we get for like $5?
Hamburger?
Hamburger. She can get a hamburger.
Hamburger.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
Get in there, Mom. All the way.
Bye.
Bye.